Good day, learners. Welcome back to our mathematics class. I remain your tutor, Latif Ismaila Akombi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. If you are just joining us for today as our new member, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. And don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment as we proceed in this lesson. In today's class, we are going to be looking at probability without replacement. If you can recall in our previous classes, we've dealt with probability with replacement, solving WAEC what? Questions. Don't forget, when you understand this is the knowledge you are going to use to solve the JAMB questions. So, let's dive in. Example 1. A man has 9 identical balls in a bag. Out of these, 3 are black, 2 are blue, and the remaining are red. Question A. If a ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is not blue? What we got 2, not red. Look at that word, not blue and not red. We're going to deal with that. Question B. If 2 balls are drawn at random, one after the other, what is the probability that both of them will be, we got 1, black, if there is no replacement? We got 2, blue, if there is replacement. Let us now solve this question. Back to the interpretation of this question now. A man has 9 identical balls. Total number of balls that we have, there are 9. Total balls, that's equals to 9. Out of these, 3 are black, 2 are blue. Black balls, 3. Blue balls, so we have 2. So 3 plus 2, we have 5. Now, the next and the remaining are red. So to get our red balls is going to be 9 minus 5, which gives us what? 4. Fine. Question 1. What is the probability that it is not blue? Let us look for the probability of blue and then probability of not blue. The probability of black, probability of not black, probability of red, probability of not red, in case we need it. Okay, number of black balls is 3. Okay, probability of black ball will now be the number of black ball over total number, which is 3 over what? 9. 3 goes here, 1, 3 here, 3. So we have 1 over 3. So which means the probability for that black ball is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, what of 4? That is black ball. Okay, for blue ball, number of blue. Okay, let me use BL for black. Okay, let me just narrow blue, B for blue. Blue will now be, how many blue do we have? We have 2. So probability of blue will be number of blue over total number. That is 2 over 9. That's probability of what? Blue. Now, let us now look at the question given that we are asked. Figure 1 says, question A, figure 1 says, you should find the probability that it is not blue and it is not red. Okay, since it's not red, we have to look for the probability of red as well. Number of red. How many red we finally get? We have 4. Probability of red will be 4 over what? 9. Are we there? Now, Roman figure 1. That question A, Roman figure 1. Not blue. Probability of not blue. To find the probability of not blue, it means we are going to subtract the probability of blue from 1. Since you know that total probability, the addition of all the probability must not be greater than 1. So we now have probability of not blue will be 1 minus probability of blue. So that is the formula. Not blue will be 1 minus probability of blue. That is 1 minus our blue here. What do we get? we have 2 over 9, 2 over 9. Let's say over 1 here as well. The LCM is 9. 1 goes in 9, we have 9. 9 times 1, 9 minus. 9 goes in 9, we have 1. 1 times 2, we have 2. So 9 minus 2, we have what? 7 over 9. This is probability of not blue. Probability 2. Probability of not red. So probability of not red will be 1 minus probability of red. That is 1 minus probability of red here is 4 over 9. 4 over 9. Let's say over 1. The LCM here is 9. 1 goes in 9, we have 9. 9 times 1, we have 9. Minus 9 goes in 9, we have 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. So we have 9 minus 4, that is what? 5 over 9. So probability of not red is 5 over 9. So we now move on to the second question, which is question B. To proceed, if 2 balls are drawn at random, one after the other, what is the probability that both of them will be black if there is no replacement? So this is there is no replacement. Question B. For it that there is no replacement means when one ball is picked, that ball is not being replaced. Which means that the number of ball that was picked will be reduced. Likewise, total number will also be what? Reduced. Now going by this, we now have one. The 2 balls being drawn. What probability that both of them will be black? Don't forget, probability of black here, we have 1 over 3. So both of them will be black. It means probability of black. So it means the first one, probability of the first one of black, 1 over 3. That's number of black here is what? 3, isn't it? Number of black here is 3. That is 3 over total number 9 multiplied by, don't forget this one means multiplication. Now for the second black, it means that without replacement means this first black, which is this 3, 1 has been removed. It will be reduced to 2 over. Since 1 has been removed from here, definitely this 9 also will be reduced by 1. That is what? To give us 8. 2 goes here, 1. 2 goes here, 4. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 3. So we have 1 times 1, 1 over 12. So that is if both of them are black without a replacement. Second one, if both of them are blue, if there is a replacement. Now, if there is a replacement, it means nothing is decreasing. So probability of blue, don't forget this one is black. Probability of blue will now be, where is that? Blue is 2 over 9. That's the probability. 2, number is 2, total number is 9. Times, since when one of this one is being removed, they now replace it back. Nothing is decreasing. It means 2 over 9 as well. So we now have 2 times 2, 4, over 9 times 9, 81. So this is how to go about this. Example 2. A box contains identical balls, of which 12 are red, 10 white, and 8 blue. 3 balls are drawn from the box, one after the other, without replacements. Find in the probability that A, 3 are red, B, first is blue and the other 2 are red, C, 2 are white and 1 is blue. Don't forget that word, without replacement. That is the reason why we are looking at this topic. Let us now analyze this question. A box contains identical balls of which 12 are red. Red balls, 12, 10 white balls, 10, and blue balls. Blue balls we have 8. When you sum them up, so we have, this is 22 plus this, we have 30. We have 30. Now, without replacements, we want to find the probability that the first one, question A, the 3 are red. The 3 and red means probability of red, red, and red. So in this case, we can now say that probability of red, the first red, how many red do we have? We have 12. So it's going to be 12 divided by total number 30 multiplied by second red. Don't forget without replacement. For the second red, it means this red has been decreased by 1. It remains 11 over. This one 30 has been decreased by 1. It remains 29 multiplied by. Then the third one was picked as well, which means that 11 also will be reduced by 1 to give us 10. 29 will be reduced by 1 to give us 28. So we can now look at it. 10 goes here, 1. 10 goes here, 3. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 4. Are we together? 2 goes in 4, we have 2. 2 goes in 28. In 2, we have 1. In 8, we have 4. 2 can still go here to give us 1. 2 goes here, we have 7. Then what can go again? Can 11 go in 29? 11 cannot go in 29. So we are going to have 1 multiplied by 11, 11. 11 times 1, 11 over 29 times 7. So we multiply. 203. So this is question A. Question B. Find the probability that B first is blue and the other 2 are red. Probability that first is blue and the other 2 are red. And means multiplication, don't forget. It means probability of blue, the other 2 are red means red and red. So which means probability of blue. How many blue do we have here? We have 8. 8 over total number, which is what? 30. Multiplied by how many red do we have? Red is 12. When you get to the second one ball had been picked, which means that the ball that was picked, are you there? It was this, that is, the ball that was picked, we don't know the ball. And these balls are non-identical. Only this one identical. Blue is different from red. Are you there? So it means that the ball that was picked, the total number will be reduced by 1, but the total number of ball remains the same for the second ball. Which means number of red here is 12. 12 over this 30 will be reduced by 1 to give us 29. Multiplied by, now, in the third one now, it is very clear that red ball was picked. And that red will be reduced by 1, give us 11 over, then this one will be reduced by 1, 28. Now, we now move. Okay? 2 goes here, we have 6. 2 goes here, we have 15. 3 can go here, we have 2. 3 goes here, we have 5. Are we there? 2 goes here, we have 4. 2 goes here, we have 2 into 1. In 8, we have 4. Okay? 2 goes in 4, we have 2. 2 goes in 14, we have 7. Are you following? What can go again? I think nothing can go. 11 cannot go here, 5 cannot go in anywhere again. So we can now have 2 times 2, we have 4. 4 times 11, we have 44 over. So 5 multiplied by 29 times 7. We have 1015. So that is the probability of blue, red, and red. Question C. Find the probability that 2 are white and 1 is blue. Probability of white, and blue. So will now be the first white, number of whites, we have 10. 10 over total number, 30, multiplied by second white. It means number will be reduced. The total number will also be reduced by 1, 29, multiplied by, but blue remain intact. Number of blue here, we have what? 8. Are we there? But total number of blue will be reduced by 1. And total number of the balls will be reduced by, that is what? 28. You know, the ball that was picked was white. Do you understand it now? Which means, and the next ball we are having is blue. The number of blue remain intact, but total number, 1 has been removed from total. It will be reduced by what? 1. And it gives us what? 8. So we move. 10 here, 1. 10 here, we have 3. 3 here, 1. 3 here, we have 3. Are we there? Then what can go? 2 goes here, we have 4. 2 goes here, we have 14. 2 goes in 4, 2. 2 goes in 14, 7. What other one? Nothing. So when you multiply this numerator, we have 6 over, so 29 times 7. We have 203. So this is how to go about this. If you find this class interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent contents. And don't forget to share this channel, like, and leave a comment, and leave love emoji as we move on. So let's take one more example. Example 3. A bag contains 4 red, 3 white, and 5 green balls. Now we go on. If one ball is picked at random, comma, what is the probability that it is not green? First one. Now we got 2. If 2 balls are picked at random without replacement, take note about that. What is the probability that one is red and the other is white? So let's start. The first one is that bag contains how many red balls? 4. So red balls, 4. 3 white balls, 3. And 5 green balls, we have 5. So let us sum everything together. This is 7 and this one is 12. Total number of balls, we have 12. Okay, from here you can now move on by saying, well, we go on. If one ball is picked at random, what is probability that it is not green? Don't forget the previous example, the first example that we did. Not green means 1 minus probability of what? Green. So probability so that is probability of not green with me. Probability of that is 1 minus probability of green, which gives 1 minus. What's the number of green? That is 5 over total number 12 over 1 here. The LCM here is 12. How many 1 can we send in 12? We have 12. 12 times 1. 12 minus 12 goes in 12. 1. 1 times 5. 5. So when we now take away 5 from 12, we have what? 7 over 12. So that is question 1. We've got 2. If 2 balls are picked at random without replacement, what is probability that one is red and the other is white? For one, we've got 2. Probability of one is red, that is red, and the other is what? White. Don't forget that statement, without replacement. For one, we've got 2. Without replacement. So it is, okay, and the other is white. Yes, and we have 3 balls here. If the first one is red, the other is white, meaning we're going to have white in twice. So probability of red, the first red, we have number is 4 over total number is what? 12 multiplied by. For the whites, how many whites do we have? 3. In this probability, a ball is picked at random without replacement. Me, for this red, a red is being picked. But on getting to the second probability, we found white, not red. Meaning that white, the number of whites remain intact. How many white do we have? 3. Over, but one thing will happen. What is that? Total number will be reduced by 1. So, reduce this 12, we have what? 11. Now, the third ball here is what? White as well. Meaning that when they now pick this white one, this 3 will be reduced by 1. We have 2. And 11 will be reduced by 1. We have what? 10. So we can now move on. 4 here, 1. 4 here, 3. 3 goes here, 1. 3 goes here, 1. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 5. So we have, all this one we have 1, over 11 times 5, we have what? 55. So 1 over 55. So this is how to go about probability without replacements. So we can use this knowledge to solve so many questions. Mind you, nobody is an island of knowledge. We are learning. We are all learning. So, but the method being taught, just try to follow the method to solve other questions. You are going to get to your promised land. You are going to be successful by God's grace. So, as you are leaving this class, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. And click the notification bell for my subsequent contents. And don't forget to like, share, leave a love emoji, and also leave a comment as you leave the channel. You can as well lay your hand on the exercises coming shortly.